after the repair is done and then everything works, then you pay.
Oh, okay.
I also have to just figure this out. But yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So leave it with you for an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you...
I don't need the passcode or anything.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
It might be longer than an hour.
That's okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm open till 6.
Oh, okay.
So you can come by. And it's pretty quick. For sure this will be done.
Okay. So like if I wait 30 minutes, will it be done? Or does it actually
You know what?
take an hour?
I can actually, because it's only because there's another person ahead.
Oh.
But you know what? I can.
Really? I'll just hang out and work.
Sure. She's here. Yeah.
Okay, airplane.
You would have waited that long till tomorrow and still get it. It'd still come here, you know?
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
That's why my husband was like, we should just go home and.
Yeah. Okay, it's ready.
Everything works?
Yes.
We know?
Well, I wouldn't know until you
Yeah.
put it to the hospital. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, what's going on?
Hi. I was hoping to get my battery replaced.
What's going on with it?
The battery's fine, like it works. I can charge it. Charges. It's just if I'm using it, it'll degrade super fast. So I had it at 100% almost an hour ago, and now it's at 77.
Okay.
When I haven't really been doing anything.
Okay, no problem. Could I see it?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay. And yeah, it's probably time to replace it.
Yeah. I was gonna get a new phone, but it's really just the battery that's not working.
Right. Okay, no problem. Did you fill out? Did you sign?
Yeah.
Sign? Okay. Okay. So I'll just get the repair.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem. It's pretty quick. Yeah, when it comes to the tariffs, I think on the phones, yes, it will be more expensive probably. That's why repairs are gonna be the thing, you know.
Yeah, for
People are
sure.
gonna keep their phones.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't think it's gonna affect this one here.